Okay, good morning students. Now I am Pratima. I am taking the science for you people. So today we will discuss about that basic things. Okay, I am giving you just introduction about the next year classes. That is nothing but a fourth, fifth as well as the sixth science. So this is the introduction class. So here listen here properly. So this is the basic things or a bridge course for your syllabus. Already you completed third standard as well as fourth as next one is fifth. Whoever completed fifth standard they are going to sixth standard, and whoever completed their third standard they are going to a fourth standard, and whoever completed the fourth standard they are going to now they are going to a fifth standard. So it is also a very easy subject. So learn properly. And science is what? What do you mean by science? What is the definition of science? Science is a studying about the natural things, living things as well as the non-living things. What do you mean by living thing? You know, right? What do you mean by living things? Living things. You know, living things. Living things means the things which can breathe. That is called as the living things. Okay. Next one is a non-living thing. What are the non-living things? Non-living things is nothing but which are not able to breathe. That are called as the non-living things. And for living things, example are trees, as a human beings, and animals, birds, all are there. And for non-living things, example are, what are the example for the non-living things? For non-living things, example are chair, table, this marker, and whatever, this board, and again watch, and ID card, whatever you take. Okay, these are all the non-living things. And for you people, what you study in your syllabus? First, you will study about the plants, how the plants are there, and how they will prepare a food and using a sunlight, and what are the main things of a leaf and structure of a leaf. All those things you will study in your syllabus. Next one is animals, about the animals as well as the what life cycles of animals and plants, their life cycles. Life cycle means how they survive and what is the character of that animal and what is the character of that plant, and in which area the plant will be planted, like that. That is nothing but in life cycle you will study all those things. Next you will study about food and nutrition, and what are the types of nutrition. There will be a vitamins are there, proteins, as well as the what next one, carbohydrates. These all types are you will learn in a food and a nutrition chapter. Food and nutrition chapter. Without food we can't get the energy, right? So we have to eat a healthy food. Don't eat that bakery food or else snacks like that, oily foods that are not good for health. So you have to eat more vegetables and more fruits. That is a healthy for our body. That's why we have to eat nutrition containing foods, that are nothing but all the vegetables as well as the all the fruits you have to eat daily. Next one is chewing the food, how to chew the food, and types of teeth and structure of teeth, as well as the how many teeth are there in your mouth, like that. That is in a we study in a chewing of a food. That chapter we study everything about that food, how to eat, and what is the their function in our mouth, and how they will help for eating or that digesting of food, as well as the how to maintain the that carefully, how to we maintain that teeth carefully. So like that we have to study in that chapter. Next one is a digestive system. What do you mean by digestive system? You know, already you learnt in a, I think somehow some of people you know the digestive system. Digestive Digestive system. What are the digestive system? What is the digestive system? Digestive system is nothing but it will start from the mouth only. We'll eat all the food through the mouth, right? Everyone knows that. Understood? So digestive system start from the mouth. After that again all the inside parts we'll learn about that. Okay, so in digestive system the things how it is digested and where it will go through the wherever it goes in our inside our body, all that things are learned in the digestive system chapter. So in digestive system how the things are going and how food will go and how it will convert to the energy and how it will convert to the blood, like that we have to all the things, and again the waste part where it goes, all those things are learned in the digestive system. That understood. What is the next one is the respiratory system. After this we'll learn about a respiratory system. Everyone know about the respiratory system. What do you mean by respiratory system? It is again a breathing process, like see, breathing, inhaling means you know the inhaling and exhaling. What do you mean by inhaling? When we breathe in, that is called as the inhaling. When we breathe out, that is called as the exhaling process. So breathing is nothing but a breathing in as well as the breathing outside. That is nothing but the inhaling as well as the exhaling. So inhaling and exhaling, the process which containing the inhaling as well as the exhaling, that is called as the breathing process, and the system which that process is doing, that system is called as the respiratory system. So in respiratory system we see about the breathing process. Okay, so breathing in is called as the inhaling, breathing out is called as the exhaling. Again respiratory diagram, and what are the functions of that each every part, all those things we learn in a respiratory system. Next one is a soil. You know about a soil. Soil ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Again in a soil there are many types, and which soil is for good for agriculture and which is for a not which is not for good for agriculture. All those things we learn in that soil chapter. After that again you know about the states of matter. I think everyone know about the states of matter. What are the states of matter? What do you mean by state of matter? State of matter nothing but a what? Matter is, first tell what is matter? Matter, what is the definition of matter? Everyone know about the matter, right? Matter. What do you mean by matter? Matter is anything which occupies the space. That is called as the matter. See here, I am putting. See here. Here is a marker, right? So here marker is occupying the space on the board. Some space it is occupying on the board. So it is also called as a matter. The matter, even human beings also a matter, because I am standing on the floor here. Understood? So I am occupying some space on the floor. So whatever the thing which occupy some space on the floor, that thing is called as the matter. Understood everyone? So matter is anything which occupies the space, that is called as the matter. And again in the states of matter means what are the main states of matter? Three are states of matters are there. What are the things? Liquid. First one is a solid. Second one is liquid. Next one is a gas. These main three types of states of matters are there: solid, liquid, gas. Solid means which is a rigid body, that is even all the molecules are attached together. Even in liquid there will be a little bit of space is there, and again in gas there will be a lot of interspace between the molecules. It is nothing but a gas is nothing but a air. That is example for gas is a air. For liquid, water, milk, whatever. Okay. So next solid, chair, marker, whatever. which is in a rigid. Okay, that is called as the solid. So solid, liquid and gas. These three are the main three types of states of matter. I think you know about this solid, liquid, gas. I hope. Next one is a force, work, energy. Again, in a force, work, out energy, the definition of a force, and what are the types of a force, and what are the examples of the force, and which is a force and which is not a force. How to identify the force, whether it is a force or not, like that. Even work, for work, also definition of a work, and again there will be some examples, and in energy also there will be some more types are there in energy and energy definition. All those things are learned in a force, work and energy chapter. Next, I think we'll go for the air and atmosphere and water cycle. I think you know water cycle and the solar system, you know, right? And about the earth, and how the eclipse forms, you know, all the those things. And if you don't know this, we will study in the further chapters, as well as the how to save the earth. Nowadays the earth is going what, it is damaging, right, because of pollution, because of our technology. Yeah, of course technology is improving day by day, but again as a same thing, but at the same time even the environment is spoiling day by day. So we have to protect our environment. It's our duty and it's our responsibility, because we have to live a long life, right? Otherwise we'll die soon. So that's why we have to save our environment, we have to protect our environment, it's our duty. So I hope you will understand these all the things. Now I will tell about some water cycle, about a water cycle. How the water cycle will form. I think you know, some of people you know, but who are not know, just recall this subject. These are the basic things you have to know. Water cycle. How the water cycle will form? See, this is a river. Okay, assume. Actually, it is not a river, but assume it is a river. So, when here is the sun is there. Okay, when a sunlight, this is the sunlight. When sunlight is fall on the river, in the river there will be a water, right? So the water get heated. When you heat the things, what it will become? It will become a vapors. So the water vapors, again it will go to the here sky is there. Okay, here it will go the water vapors. Water vapors, it will go to the sky. Again in a sky, what it will become? It will become a cloud. Right? It will become these water vapors become a clouds. After that, next again it will fall as a, fall on the earth as a rain. So this is the, this is not a deep, okay, I am not going a deep. So just I am giving a basic knowledge about the water cycle, how it will form, okay. So this is not a deep explanation. So just I am giving the glance, I am glancing the things, what is the water cycle and how it will form. So from the sunlight the river water will get heat. After that it will become water vapors and it will go to the sky. Next one is again it will in sky that water vapors will form a clouds. After that next again it will become a rain and fall down on the water, fall down on the earth, and again it will collect the in that raindrops all are collected in a river, pond as well as the sea. That is the thing happens in a water cycle. So what are the things you will study it in a last year class? you have to go through that. Otherwise, it's a very difficult to understand the next higher classes things, because in already you are spending a more time for the what games or playing a game, not at all you are studying in your home. That's why you forget all the things in these holidays. Already you already completed a 3 or 4 months holidays, right? From the March you are in a home. That's why you will forget all the things. So you have to collect your take your last year book and neatly you have to go through the basic things. Otherwise it's a very difficult. How we'll understand? From Monday onwards we'll start the all the syllabus classes only. We'll start with the first chapter only. So you are getting a difficult at that time. That's why I'm telling. So please go through the last year syllabus or last year book you have, right? So take that book and study properly. Just glance the things. Don't read full syllabus and don't read all the question answer. That is not necessary. Just glance the things, the unit name and whatever the things you studied in that chapter. Just go through that. Then it will be easy for you people. That's why I'm telling. So what is the homework I'm going to give here, right? Wait, I'll give homework for you people. Just draw the first thing is I'm giving one activity for you people. Take different types of leaves. Okay. First activity is stick different types of leaves in a sheet. Don't take a card sheet bigger. I think different types means any pen you can take. Any pen. Take the leaves and attach in that sheet, card sheet, or take a normal A4 size sheet, your wish, and write which tree leaf that is. Okay, you have to mention which tree leaf that is. Next homework is draw digestive system. Okay, it's a basic thing actually. I think you will get anywhere that pic. Search in a Google, you will get that pic, digestive system. Draw that. Then you will get an idea. What are the things they come here? Small intestine, large intestine, as well as food pipe. Okay, mouth. Only that much is there. So draw that. Next thing is and what is matter? What is matter? And how many? What is matter and how many types of states of how many types of states of matter are there? And write the properties of the states of matter with the diagram and examples. So this is the homework for you. You have to, what is the matter definition? Matter is nothing but anything which occupies the space, that is called as the matter. And how many types of states of matters are there? There are three types of states of matters are there. I already told: solid, liquid, gas. And you have to how the solid is looks like. You have to draw the diagram, and for liquid also and for gas also you have to draw the diagram, and you have to write the properties of a states of a matter. For solid you have to write the minimum four characteristic you have to write. It is a rigid, then it cannot be a flow. So like that you have to write the four properties for each state of a matter, that is a solid, liquid, gas. So what is the matter? How many types of states of matters are there? And write the properties of a states of a matter with the diagram and examples. These things are the homework for you people. And from the Monday onwards, we'll start with the your syllabus, and it will be a different class are there, 4, 6, 6. It will be a divided. Now it is a basic introduction class. That's why I am taking a only in one class. Next further for you people it will be a different 4th, 5th, 6th. So be ready and be curiosity about your next class. Hope okay everyone are fine with your in your home. So be safe and be healthy. Okay, thank you.